Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a rearview mirror that fell off. First, let's prepare the mounting surface. It is crucial to thoroughly clean the windshield where the mirror button attaches. Use a razor blade to carefully scrape off any old adhesive, then wipe both the windshield and the mirror button with an alcohol prep pad. This ensures a perfectly clean, grease-free surface for optimal adhesion. Now, let's apply the specialized mirror adhesive. Most kits come with two parts, an activator and the adhesive itself. First, apply the activator to the windshield where the mirror button will sit. Allow it to dry for about 30 seconds. Then, put just 1 or 2 drops of the adhesive onto the center of the clean metal mirror button. Do not spread it around. With the adhesive applied, it's time to attach the button to the windshield. Carefully align the metal button with the outline of the old adhesive on the glass. Press it firmly against the windshield for at least 60 seconds. It is very important not to move or adjust the button during this time to allow the adhesive to set properly and create a strong, lasting bond. Finally, let's reattach the mirror. After pressing the button, allow the adhesive to cure for at least 15 minutes, or even longer if the instructions recommend it. Once cured, carefully slide the rearview mirror assembly back onto the metal button. You should feel it click securely into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it is firmly attached and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.